Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm excited about. I'm going to be doing a recipe for my THICC shake that I make basically every day, and I'm going to be giving you all the ingredients and nutritional facts about it. So keep watching if you want to learn how to make a really good protein shake. Basically, I am so happy to have finally found a good recipe because I am really picky with shakes. I'll make protein shakes that have like 1,000 calories and then they just are like chalk. So this one has a really good consistency and taste, so I'm excited. So yeah, I just wanted to share it with all of you guys because I know it's kind of difficult to find the right recipes and ingredients for shakes sometimes. So let's get started. I'll see you guys on the flip side. So much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you make it, please let me know if you like it because I am in love with this shake. Like literally I drink it like every day, which is a lot for me because I'm not really a shake person. But anyways, so if you like it, then let me know. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you guys want to see more of, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
See you in the dirt to love.